In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WPS Office account. If you've decided that you no longer need your WPS Office account and want to remove it permanently, this guide will walk you through the entire process clearly and safely. Deleting an account is a serious action, so it's important to understand what needs to be done beforehand to avoid errors or failed attempts during the process. To begin, open the WPS Office app and tap your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Once your profile page opens, tap the profile icon again to access your account details. From there, go to the Account section where you will see the option to delete your account. When you select this option, WPS Office will start a security check to protect your information and digital assets. Before the system allows the deletion to proceed, there are several conditions that must be met. First, you need to make sure that all documents associated with your account are cleared. This means there should be no files stored in your cloud storage or linked to your account. Any remaining documents can prevent the deletion from going through. Next, ensure that your account is no longer part of any teams. If you are a member of a team workspace, you must sign out of all teams before continuing. Accounts that are still connected to team environments cannot be deleted until they are fully removed. Another important requirement is related to administrative roles. If your account is assigned as a company super administrator, you must first transfer that role to another account. The system will not allow deletion if your account still holds administrative control. You also need to cancel any active auto-renewing subscriptions linked to your account. Make sure there are no ongoing subscriptions before proceeding. Some subscriptions initiated through certain platforms may need to be canceled through their respective third-party services. If an active subscription is detected, the deletion process will fail. Once all these requirements are completed, return to the Delete Account page and tap the option to start the security detection. If everything is in order, the system will confirm the request and your account will be permanently deleted. If any requirement is missing, the deletion will fail and the system will notify you of what still needs to be resolved. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.